In front of me I have General Mobile GM9 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the power saving mode on this device. First, let's swipe down twice from the top of the screen to open the quick access menu. Here let's swipe left and find the battery saver. We can see it right here. To turn it on, let's just tap the icon. And to turn it off, we just tap the icon again. We can also touch and hold on the icon to go to the battery settings. And right here we can turn it on and off by taking this slider right here. And that should be all. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.